Are you unknowingly triggering disease every single morning? Research shows that 12 seemingly innocent morning habits are silently accelerating aging in people over 60. If you're doing even 3 of these before 10 a.m., you could be increasing your risk of brain fog, high blood pressure, and even early death. Let's find out, how many of these are you guilty of? What if the way you wake up each morning holds the power to slow aging, reduce inflammation, and protect your brain and body for years to come? For millions of seniors, those first few moments after waking are quietly shaping their health trajectory, and most don't even realize it. This video reveals the 12 most common morning mistakes made by people over 60 and the small science-backed changes that can make all the difference. Let's begin. You may not feel thirsty when you wake up, but your organs are already begging for hydration, and yet nearly 80% of seniors begin their day reaching for coffee or medication before drinking a drop of water. While you sleep, your body loses water. That fluid loss thickens your blood. According to the Journal of Clinical Gerontology, overnight dehydration can increase blood viscosity by up to 10% in adults over 60. This stresses your heart and brain, especially during early morning hours when heart attacks and strokes are most common. Dr. Jessica Rothman at Harvard calls this morning blood sludging. Over time, this invisible pressure damages kidneys, blood vessels, and brain function. Sylvia, 72, was on the verge of dialysis. At a wellness retreat, she began drinking 16 ounces of water first thing each morning. Within 2 months, her kidney function improved by 28%. Her doctor was stunned. The only change? Just water. In Okinawa, Japan, 94% of those over 90 begin their day with water. No coffee, no tea, just water. Place a full glass of room-temperature water on your nightstand tonight. Drink it before your feet touch the floor tomorrow. It could change your health for good. Mistake number 2, staying indoors. Most seniors miss out on the single most powerful hormonal reset of the day: sunlight. Your brain runs on a circadian rhythm. The moment you wake up, it waits for light to signal the day has begun. Without it, your body stays confused. Morning light tells your brain to shut down melatonin and start producing serotonin. Miss this window and your sleep, mood, memory, and metabolism all suffer. Dr. Andrew Peterson says, morning sunlight exposure sets off a hormonal cascade that affects everything, from your mood to your blood pressure. Benjamin, age 75, had battled insomnia for years. Nothing worked. Then his doctor told him to sit outside for 10 minutes each morning. Within 2 weeks, he was sleeping again. His blood pressure dropped. His afternoons no longer dragged. Even on cloudy days, outdoor light is 50 to 100 times stronger than indoor light. Tomorrow, step outside. Your body is waiting for this signal. Not mobile? Sit by a window with direct exposure. Even that can help reset your internal clock. What about your joints? That stiffness when you wake up? It's a warning. Mistake number 3, staying still before breakfast. Research from Mayo Clinic shows that gentle movement in the morning reduces joint deterioration by up to 65%. It's not about exercise, it's about motion. Dr. Lisa Monroe explains, moving before eating activates autophagy, your body's natural cleaning system. It reduces inflammation and protects your joints. Harriet, 68, was preparing for knee surgery. As a last effort, she began gentle morning movement, 7 minutes each day. Within 3 months, her surgery was canceled. You don't need a gym, just ankle rolls, shoulder circles, a gentle sway or toe touch. Stiffness is your body asking for help. Listen to it. Then there's your breath. Mistake number 4, ignoring it. Longevity researchers found that many centenarians begin each day with intentional breathing. It takes 30 seconds. Dr. Michael Cohen says, we've measured lower cortisol and inflammation in seniors who do morning breath work. Here's how. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. Repeat 3 times. This activates your vagus nerve. It tells your body you're safe. It moves you from stress into restoration. It's simple, it's free, and it could shape your entire day. Mistake number 5, eating the wrong breakfast. Most seniors eat low-protein, high-carb meals in the morning: toast, fruit, cereal. These spike insulin and fuel inflammation. Dr. Valerie Richardson at the Longevity Nutrition Institute found that seniors who eat at least 25 g of protein and 8 g of fiber in the morning have 53% lower levels of inflammation. Gerald, 68, was pre-diabetic. He switched from toast to eggs and chia oats. 6 months later, his blood sugar normalized. His doctor asked what he did. He said, "I changed my breakfast. Protein stabilizes blood sugar. Fiber supports gut health. Healthy fats nourish your brain. Tomorrow morning, upgrade your plate. Avocado, seeds, berries, leafy greens. Real food is medicine." Mistake 6, starting your day in silence. Loneliness isn't just emotional, it's biological. The Harvard Adult Development Study found that seniors who engage in meaningful social connection before 10 a.m. have 29% lower mortality rates. Nancy, 97, lives in Okinawa. Every morning she chats with neighbors. Researchers found her inflammation markers resembled someone decades younger. Connection doesn't need to be long. Call a friend. Speak with a loved one. Say hello to your barista. Your body responds to connection. Even brief conversations trigger the release of oxytocin, the hormone of connection and calm. Mistake 7, skipping gratitude. Not the vague kind. Specific, directed gratitude. Dr. Sarah Jenkins at Yale found that seniors who practice gratitude towards their bodies show brain scans similar to much younger adults. Patricia, 74, placed her hand on her chest each morning. She thanked her legs, her eyes, her heart. 3 months later, her blood pressure normalized. Her heart rate variability improved 31%. Tomorrow morning, name 3 parts of your body you're thankful for. Be specific. Your body listens. This simple act rewires how your nervous system responds to the world. Mistake 8, skipping magnesium. This master mineral powers over 300 reactions in the body, and most seniors don't get enough of it. Dr. Elaine Harper explains, magnesium is like oil in a car. Without it, everything grinds. Mark, 73, added magnesium-rich foods to his breakfast: avocado, pumpkin seeds, banana. His morning anxiety disappeared. His stiffness eased. His energy stabilized. Add almonds. Add spinach. Or consider a low-dose supplement. But never skip this nutrient. Mistake 9, taking calcium with coffee. Calcium taken on an empty stomach or with caffeine is poorly absorbed. Worse, it may harden arteries instead of strengthening bones. Dr. Megan Patel says, calcium needs cofactors like D3 and K2, and it must be taken with food. Diane changed nothing except her supplement timing. Her bone scan improved. Same pill. Different result. Take calcium after breakfast. Never with coffee, always with nutrients that help guide it. Mistake 10, missing morning choline. Choline supports brain function. It's found in eggs, salmon, and leafy greens. Alan, 71, added 2 eggs and spinach to breakfast. His memory returned. His mind cleared. Low choline equals higher dementia risk. Feed your brain tomorrow. Mistake 11, watching the news first thing. Morning is when your brain is most impressionable. Fear and stress raise cortisol. Your body stays on edge all day. Ellen replaced her news habit with music and reading. Her sleep improved. Her blood pressure dropped. Protect your morning mental environment. It sets your entire emotional tone. Instead of consuming fear, feed yourself calm, laughter, or inspiration. And finally, mistake 12, starting your day on autopilot. Routines are powerful, but unconscious routines can keep you stuck. The first 5 minutes of your day are the best time to set intention. Walter, 93, sits on the edge of his bed each morning and asks 3 questions. What does my body need today? What am I grateful for? What will I do for my health before noon? That's it. 5 minutes. but they changed his life. Your future is built in tiny decisions. One of them begins tomorrow morning. So the only question left is, which of these 12 will you change first? Because tomorrow begins today.